Hey there, thanks for tuning into DuckBricks. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jake.
Well, actually, I'm France.
And I'm Argentina.
And it is the finals of the World Cup, which meant that we had to put out a World Cup related Lego video. And what better set to focus on than the the table football set, because Lego does not actually have the copyright to foosball.
All right.
So how's this gonna work, Jake?
We're going to build this table together. And at the end, we're going to have a foosball table football tournament in which Chris is going to be representing France. I'm going to be representing Argentina. And we're going to try to predict, through the power of foosball, the winner of the tournament.
Exactly. Now, the other thing we're going to be testing here is how exactly does the Lego foosball table hold up to competitive play? Now, here's the thing. Jake has beaten me in almost every single game of foosball. Actually, no. Every single game. Every single game of foosball that we've played over in the office. So my question to Jake is, well, look, here's the thing. I know I'm going to lose, and we've had enough videos on DuckBricks of me just losing. We've seen enough of those, fighting against you. So we need to have some sort of an interesting factor to kind of spice things up a bit. So to do that, I've recruited a friend, and he will also be representing France. So it'll be two of us versus you, and I'll tap him in to join me anytime I feel like I'm losing.
All right.
Now, I don't know if we're gonna need it, but we also have another copy of this. This is actually your copy of the foosball table. I don't know if we're gonna be able to even build two today, but you know what? We're gonna figure it out, and
in case we need it.
I'm sure there's some way that we can use two of these. So let's get started and get building. So over the course of putting together the set, we kind of had a lot of brainstorming in terms of how exactly are we going to make this competition fair. Because you see, Jake has played me in foosball many, many times before in the office, and he has beaten me literally every single time. In fact, Jake is on a winning streak. He has not only beaten me, but he's also beaten literally everybody else I've seen him play. I think I've seen him win 20 times in a row on an actual foosball table, which means I don't really like where my chances are. So initially I suggested, well, why don't we just each build one? I'll build one, you build the other, and whoever finishes first gets a little bit of a bonus. But then we realized that I am much, much faster at building than Jake. You see, last time we did a speed build video, I believe my rate was 2 to 3 times faster than him. So he didn't think it was fair, because you know what? He just knew I was gonna smoke him. So we couldn't decide on a metric for that until we brought in one of our friends who suggested something crazy. Now let me give some context here. This guy really likes sports, and when I say that, he really likes them. So of course, he was trying to think of some sort of a sports-oriented way to spice things up a bit. You see, this guy here, who happened to be around the house at the same time, suggested that we have a little bit of a penalty kick, where halfway through my build, at any point, Jake can choose to just kick a soccer ball into my build, causing as much damage as possible. What I was worried about there were the axles cracking, and well, you can see his response to that here.
It will be non-trivial for him to find more. Oh. Wait, aren't those just like 15 axles or something?
It will be non-trivial for me to find more.
Okay.
Yeah, so after a little bit of careful thinking and critical thought processes, we decided not to kick soccer balls around in my Lego collection, and instead decide to resolve this in slightly more peaceful ways. So here's what I figured. If I'm really losing, I have the ability to call in a friend. So here's the thing. Right now at the house, we have a ton of friends over. We've got like 3 people that I could choose from to bring into things. So one of them is the madman who suggested we kick the football into the game here. So that's Brian. I set up a little bit of a trial round when we finished playing just to see how good he was. All right, so it's now 4-0 versus Jake and Brian here. Oh.
4-1.
You're not going to be able to move the scoreboard. That doesn't work.
I moved it.
Yeah, the blue ones move, the red ones don't.
Oh. 5-1. Okay.
Spoiler alert, he was not good and got demolished by Jake, so I definitely won't be picking him. But I think Jake's onto me because he has refused to accept anyone else play against him until it is me who's up. So I'm gonna have to pick between our last couple of people. I probably am gonna have to use my Hail Mary save to see if we can get France the last minute win. So wish me luck on that, and yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so after going to eat dinner and deciding we would come back and play foosball another day, we are now back with both foosball tables completed, and it's time to see if they hold up to serious competitive play.
All right, as you remember, Chris will be representing the nation of France.
Je parle un peu de français. Alors, oui.
And I will be representing the nation of Argentina in this World Cup final. Let's get right to it. 5 points. each starting at 0, and first to 5 wins.
Oh, we're just doing one match? Okay, come on. You're gonna smoke me.
What's the finals?
I need at least like best out of 5.
Best out of 5? Okay.
Yeah, best out of 5. Come on. We'll
Best
see what
out of 5
happens.
points.
Best out No. Best out of 5 games. Each game is gonna last like a minute because I'm gonna get destroyed. Okay. We'll use yours because the scoreboards on mine don't move. Like, this is actually a major flaw in the product. This is actually a big problem. And comment down below if you've had the same problem. These just don't move. Like, I've built it correctly, and they barely move if you really push it hard. I don't know how this got past LEGO's quality control, to be honest. For some bars it works better, for others they don't. They actually recently remolded the pieces that are used to mount these scoreboards on it earlier this year, so maybe that was before the remold. They thought it would work, but yeah, these are not moving, so we are going to use Jake's, which at least kind of move. It's a good thing we made 2. All right, Jake, what color are you at?
Oh, I mean, Argentina, come on, I'm blue.
Okay, let's get the camera set up.
Game 1, 0-0.
You're blue?
I'm blue, you're red.
Oh my goodness, this is hard.
That's 1-0. Whoa, what are you?
No, you scored on me, so all right.
Okay.
Listen, that was the warm-up one. No. Having the legs... Okay, come on.
Oh,
Yep, let's go.
All right. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, wait, what was that?
Whoa.
Oh, this is
Handles
not pushed
flying
in all
off.
the way. There we go.
Okay, that's 2-1 France.
Oh yeah, wait, I got one. Hey, no, I wasn't ready. I was changing the score. I was not ready.
There's no
I was
not being ready in soccer. Come on.
The game, we're starting from here. So Jake here has claimed he has been undefeated in foosball, and I don't know. I mean, he's not doing too hot.
Oh.
That's right. Yeah, let's go.
3-2.
3 what?
3-2.
3.
No.
That one didn't count.
You were...
As a mercy point, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
As a mercy
There we go.
Let everyone know that I've been... Whoa. No. I don't want to give you a mercy.
3-3. You gave me a mercy point. There's no takebacks inside. No.
No.
4-3.
That one does not count.
Okay, that one didn't count. 4-3. 4-3. Oh, you put it. Okay. 5-3.
Best out of 5.
Best out of 5. Okay.
Okay.
One match to 0. 0-0.
Yeah.
You can start.
Yeah, okay. Yep.
1-0. In score and a match.
You're not getting past my defenses.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay.
1-1.
For the last game, we should put 2 balls in and just let it be chaos.
2-1.
I don't think... Okay, 2-2. Okay, nice.
That is a very wide goal compared to...
I don't think he's getting past these defenses. Like, I could just... Okay. 3-2. Yeah, like, they're...
3-3. 4-3.
Can I call...
5-3.
Can I call a friend? One of you two.
Yeah, you can call a friend. 2 matches to 0.
Come here.
2 matches to 0.
Fight Jake. Get over here.
Okay. Best out of 5. Best out of 5, as we know. That's to 3. 3 victories. We're at 2-0.
Come on, Jack. Recurring guest star on DuckBricks. Come.
Now, we've got a couple friends here.
Yeah. Jack, introduce
Mr.
yourself to the camera.
Oh, you've already met me.
Yes, but they might not have seen that video that you were in. So this is Jack.
Link to that video.
Go watch that.
Link
Yes,
to that video.
he was a guest star in a previous video where he was able to steal $800 worth of money from my viewers. It's a fun one. Go watch it. But yeah, I'm tapping you in.
All right,
Come on.
Okay.
Come on, man.
You wanna start?
Sure.
First to 5.
Where does it go?
Just roll it.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, no channel to roll the ball in. That's
All right, let's go, Jack. Let's go. Come on, Jack. Jack, what are you doing? Oh my God. Jack. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay. Good. You can beat him faster.
Slide it
than
over.
that. Come on.
it takes some.
Let's go. Oh, Jack, get it out of that corner. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Jack, what are you doing?
No, it's all right.
Come on, DuckBricks.
I'm a professional.
Come on, DuckBricks.
I know what's going on.
Sportsmanship. Sports duckship.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
We need better sports duckship.
This is embarrassing. This is just humiliating. What are you doing? Come on, my boy.
Some of these might be handballs, honestly.
Let's go. Yeah. Get in that corner. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey. Watch that. Get.
oh no.
3-1.
No.
You're useless.
4-1.
He's worse than me. He's actually worse than me. That's saying something. Because I'm really bad.
Okay.
I'm scoring.
4-2.
You did score.
I feel like I'm gonna break it.
I got it.
Your top score devices.
Oh yes.
Oh,
Let's go. Good.
4-3.
I always believed in you, my boy.
There we go. We're alive. We're living these.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Hey! No!
3 matches to 0.
So
Undefeated best of 5.
I don't know about that.
Good contest. We know Argentina's going to win this 3-0. That's the prediction. World Cup tomorrow morning. It's going to happen. Messi's taking it home over France. It's a great set. Score bits could be a little cleaner, but pretty much perfect build quality. Only one minor breakage of the handle. Those minifigures sure know how to kick a ball. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to DuckBricks. I don't think that game counts, by the way. I just would like to say that. Just put it out there because it wasn't me who actually...